Here's a great deal on a 2015 Chevrolet City Express. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.